Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can turn off X app sensitive content setting. So the first thing that you're going to do is open up your Google Chrome. And then here on your Google Chrome, you just need to search for twitter.com. As you can see, the X didn't change the twitter.com yet. And here, as you can see, the very homepage of this application. Now, you just need to tap on this profile picture at the top left hand corner of your screen. And at the bottom, you'll find settings and support. So you just need to tap on this drop down menu. And then right here, tap on settings and privacy. Now here under the settings, you can see you just need to tap on this privacy and safety. And once you tap on this under your X activity, you just need to tap on content you see. And here you'll find display media that may contain sensitive content. So you just need to check this box here so you can turn off the sensitive content setting on your X. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.